Okay, let's get Mayuresh Joshi into the conversation too. Mayuresh, hi, afternoon. Amrish was just telling us that there's no point really investing into a stock like Cairn now because there's not too much in terms of long-term positives. What did you make of the Cairn Vedanta deal, and between the two stocks, would you have any recommendations at all?
Afternoon, Sonia. So clearly, I think in terms of just the deal itself, I think it's a win-win for both shareholders. However, I think if you talk individually about the stocks, I think though Cairn has an extended asset base and considering the kind of potential that it can derive from its various fields, I think there are two attributes that work against it. I think the oil prices, if they're supposed to stay in a range, I think that will not have a positive rub-off effect in terms of their earnings delivery and free cash flows. And second, I think the kind of impending liabilities, both from an income tax perspective, I think that is going to create some amount of overhang. So I think though there is value into the stocks, considering the kind of assets that he has, it doesn't make sense probably at this point of time for Cairn. And similarly for Vedanta, our take is that the fair value should be close to around 200, 205. But again, I think it's very close to where the stock is trading currently. I think though the deal probably will have a rub-off effect in terms of all commodities coming through, it still has a little bit of a problem when it comes to its aluminium business, where the realizations still are low. And even on the zinc business, I think if one assumes additional royalty to probably go through, I think even the zinc business, considering the kind of pricing that we're looking at, and again, I think the LME inventory levels, I think that business is not expected to perform at least for the next 2 to 3 quarters. So overall, I think we're maintaining a neutralish stance on both these stocks.
Okay.